Good morning, sir. Welcome to Bitik Fine Dining Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes.
May I have your name?
Giancarlo Gregorio.
Okay, Mr. Gregorio. Allow me to excuse and allow me to check the availability of the reservation. Sige, sir. Thank you for waiting, Mr. Gregorio. Your table is ready. Come this way, sir. Sir, is this table fine with you? How about you, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, may I unfold your table? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Would you like cold water?
Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Good day again. Would you like to try our complimentary drink? How many, sir?
One.
Please.
Thank you.
Try it, sir. Would you like to start your appetite? We have a different varieties of juice. We have pineapple, orange, blueberry, strawberry, and cherry. Pineapple. I'll give back to sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetite, the pineapple juice. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Again, today, I am your food server. Here's the menu for your drinks. I'll be back to get your order. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I take your order?
One order of cheese mozzarella.
How about for your soup, sir?
One order to na Bulgarian chicken soup.
And how about for your main course, sir?
One order of fried spicy stew with dry garlic.
How about for your desserts, sir?
Dog cheesy and sweet bread.
Sir, how about for your wine? We have red wine and white wine, but we offer a red wine for your order for your main course.
Isang Cabernet Sauvignon red wine.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I repeat your... Sir, your order is 1 cheese panzanella, 1 Bulgarian chicken soup, 1 fried chicken stew with garlic, 1 beer cheese and sweet bread, and for your wine, sir, it's Cabernet Sauvignon red wine. Am I correct, sir? Is there anything else, sir?
No.
May I get the menu, sir?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'll be back to take your order after 15 minutes. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your appetizer. The cheesy panzanella with the chocolate. Excuse me, sir. I'll be back for your... Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your appetizer? May I get, sir?
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I'll be back for your...
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your Bulgarian chicken soup. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your soup, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I'll be back for your main course. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Here's your main course. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. How's the food, sir?
It's nice food.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. I will very appreciate it, and the restaurant will very appreciate it. Would you like me to serve, or you want another wine glass? Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with it? Can you get, sir? Are you done also with this? And this? Oh, yes. Excuse me, sir. I'll be back for you. Sir, would you like me to clean the table before serving your dessert?
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, sir. I'll be back for your dessert. Excuse me, sir. Will you serve dessert? Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your dessert, sir? May I get, sir? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Your bill is 10,260. What is your mode of payment, sir? Cash or card? Cash. Sir, I received 10,500. I'll be back for your change. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your change.
Thank you.
Sir, would you like me to escort you with our umbrella? Or would you like me to call a taxi for you?
No, I have a luxury car.
Thank you for dining, sir. Have a nice day and see you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Naka-